How to fix Instagram DM requests not showing. If you're having issues viewing your DM requests that other people might have sent to you, in this video let me show you the way that you fix this issue. Now the first thing that you can immediately do is update your message delivery settings. If the message delivery for request is set to no one, you would not receive any sort of DMs within your Instagram account. So what you can do is head over to the hamburger menu on the top right. Scroll down and head over to message and story replies. Within message and story replies, you'd be able to see the option called message request. And if this option is set to no one, this is the exact reason you are not being able to receive any sort of message request. So in this situation, what you can do is either tap on everyone or just tap on your followers. By doing this first step alone, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if this is not the case with you, then what you can try to switch your account type. For example, if you currently have a personal account or any other sort of account, you can try switching to a business account or a creator account. This will likely help to solve your issue. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues with it, then this is likely due to the app bug. So what you can do is just uninstall Instagram from your device and then again re-download it. So these are the few things that you can try out. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.